Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and today we are going to do the concept of was were. Yes, we have done ism are in the previous session, so today I am going to continue with the same topic in the past form. Let's start. Was were. So how do we use or where do we use? We are going to talk all these things in this topic. Firstly, was were are past forms of the verb to be. Like I have told you that I am continuing that topic of is am are. How? Because the present form of to be is am are and the past form of to be is was were. That's why I said I am continuing the same topic with you, because we have done the thing how we can use ism are to make sentences, which are we are doing currently. We are doing it in present, and today I am talking about how we can make sentences for our past, the things which we have already done. That's why we are doing the simple past forms of verb to be. They are used to describe the state, feeling, position, quality or condition that something or someone is in. So was word से हमें क्या पता चलता है कौन कैसी कंडीशन में था और यहाँ उसकी पोजीशन क्या थी, क्वालिटी कैसी थी, कंडीशन कैसी थी, उसके बारे में हमें पता चलता है. Thus was were connect the subject to what is being said about the subject. So basically the same thing I told you about ism are, that it connects the subject with the information given about it. Same was were also gives you the subject matter, that what the subject is doing or what the noun or pronoun is doing. It connects the sentence. So was and verb sometimes are used as a helping verb or sometimes they are used as main verbs. So we are going to see the examples and I'll tell you where they were used as helping verbs and where they have used as main verb. Let's start. So the use of was were. क्या है use इसका? To make simple sentences and to make sentences in past tense, also to make sentences in past continuous tense, like I am happy. So this is a simple sentence, but this was in ism are because it was in present am. If I say I was happy, मैं खुश थी, so this is a simple sentence. Or I was making cookies, so मैं cookies बना रही थी, that was past continuous. So this is how we are going to use was and were in the sentences. If you want detailed discussion about simple past tense and past continuous tense, you can visit my channel and check out the videos of simple past tense and past continuous tense. I have already posted them. Now subject verb agreement, we are here we are going to talk about how we are going to use was and were with the pronoun, and with which pronoun we are going to use was and were. करता है subject अपने verb के साथ, इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे हम. Let's see. So with I we are going to use was as a positive form. I के साथ क्या use होगा? Was. और नेगेटिव के लिए क्या होगा? was not, या was not का शॉर्ट फॉर्म not का क्या हो जाएगा? wasn't. So हम दोनों फॉर्म्स को यूज कर सकते हैं. They are correct. If I say I was या I was not or I wasn't, both the sentences are correct in negative form. Now moving on to he, she, it in a singular noun, like I can say Rekha was smiling. So you can use he, she, it and singular noun with was. Similarly, I have told you in the I, negative form of was will be was not and wasn't. So this will be same for I, he, she, it. all of them we are going to use was, and in negative was not and wasn't. Now we are here with the third person, which is you, we, they, and the plural noun like children or students or people. So what we are going to use? We are going to use were as a verb here. And for the negative, we are going to use were not and weren't. Weren't. We are going to use negative forms of were as were not and weren't with the you, we, they and plural pronoun. I will give you so many examples relating to all these was and were, I, he, she, it and you, we, they in few minutes. Let's see. यूज ऑफ वॉज इन सेंटेंसेस. तो सेंटेंस में हम यूज कैसे करने वाले हैं वॉज का? आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डिस्कस with the examples. So here I am going to give you positive, negative, interrogative sentences. If you have seen my previous video ASMR, there also I have shared positive, negative and interrogative sentences, examples of these three types, so you will be able to make sentences properly and easily in your own language. Let's start now. So firstly, I was making sand castle. This is the positive sentence. You can see I is the subject here. I is the subject here and was is a verb, and making is also a verb, but making is a main verb and was is a helping verb, and sand castle is object. The thing we are talking about, the subject is, that subject is making sand castle. All right. Now the negative sentence for the same positive one will be I was not making sand castle. मैं sand castle नहीं बना रही हूँ. और इसी के लिए सेंटेंस क्या होगा? What were you making? तुम क्या बना रहे थे? Now here you can see that I have used were here. Why I have used were? Because here I am using you. The subject is you because I am asking you a question. What are you making? But when you will answer me, you will not say you were making sand castle. You will say I was making sand castle, क्योंकि मैं अपने बारे में बता रही हूँ, इसलिए मैं यू वर मेकिंग सैंड कैसल नहीं, आई वॉज मेकिंग सैंड कैसल सेंटेंस का यूज कर रही हूँ. बिकॉज क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड बाय समवन एल्स एंड आंसर्ड बाय समवन एल्स, दैट्स व्हाई. So this is a exception. Now moving on to next one. He was happy with me. You can see he is the subject, was is verb, and happy with me is object. So whole sentence after the verb is object here. Including verb is object, but still I am telling you what is subject, what is verb and what is object. So here you can see in the negative sentence I have used he was, wasn't, and in the first sentence I used was not. So you can see how I have used different types of was not to make a negative sentence. And for the same positive sentence I have mentioned interrogative. You can see was he happy with me. So here was is a verb which is coming at first, he is a subject, and the other part is happy with me is a object. So this is how the sentence formation changes when we make a interrogative sentence. Verbs comes at first, then the subject and then object. And if we are making sentence with the WH family, then the WH family comes at first, then the verb, then the subject and object. We are going to see it in the next part. She was reading. Subject is she, was verb, and reading is also a verb, but it is a main verb. And she was not reading. This is also, I have mentioned the negative sentence by using was not. But you can see in the interrogative sentence I have used what. So this is a WH family. Then I have used verb, then the subject, and then the object. What was she doing? क्या कर रही थी? She was reading. So this is how we are going to make sentences with WH family. So what is WH family? I have already told you in verbs, in tenses, in sentence. I have done sentence, parts of sentences. I have already told you there, but also I am just recapping. WH family is the words which start with WH and make question like what, where, whom, why, whose, whom. All these question asking words, WH words, are WH family. They are interrogative words. Now moving on to next, which is it was bathing in pond. It wasn't bathing in the pond. You can see I've used was not in the short form. It wasn't bathing in pond. Where was it bathing? कहाँ नहा रहा था वो? It was bathing in pond. So this is how I have framed interrogative sentence for the positive one. Now moving on to the uses of were in the sentences. Here also I am going to give you positive, negative and interrogative sentence. You can see we were going to the market, we were not going to the market, and where were you all going. Now you can see there is a difference in the positive and interrogative sentence, that I have used we here, and here in the interrogative sentence I have used you all. So question is asked by some other person and answered by the group of people. So that's why that person asked you where were you all going, तुम सब कहाँ जा रहे हो. तो जब आप आंसर करेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे? हम सब मार्केट जा रहे हैं. We were going to the market. They were partying yesterday. They weren't partying yesterday. वो पार्टी कर रहे थे, वो पार्टी नहीं कर रहे थे. What were they doing yesterday? So you can see the question. It is a similar question to the positive sentence. You were happy there. You weren't happy there. You can see I have used the short form. And were you happy there? Here I have used different type of interrogative sentence. I have used a verb first and the subject, and after that I have used happy there as an object. So you can see the difference how we make the question interrogative sentence with the help of WH family or with the help of verb. Then the verb comes first. So the pattern of sentence making changes. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you have understood all the concepts. I tried to explain it to you. If not, you can watch it again, and if you liked it, please do share with other people. You can help them by giving the link of this video, and I will be happy if you will share and tell me if you want something special video for you. If you are not clear about any concept, I can do it for you. You can comment me in the comment section, and please do subscribe for more updates so that you can stay connected with me. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.